Hey lovelies, what's up? How you all doing? So today we have a package from Glossybox. So I used to be subscribed to Glossybox, then I stopped my subscription when I stopped filming because there was no need because I couldn't keep showing you. But since I started filming again, I reinstated my subscription. So if this is your first time coming across Glossybox, it's a beauty subscription box that you get monthly. It's for I think 11.99 out of. I'm going to leave all the information about Glossybox in the description box below, so if you need that information, check in the description box. And if you feel like you'd like to try it out, check in the description box also, because the last beauty box, I'm going to also leave links to the old boxes that I've gotten or I had, so that you could just see like a view of what you could get. So you're supposed to get 5 items, sample sizes, I think so. You're supposed to get like 5 items. So just come with me, let's unbox this and let's see what we have for Glossybox January 2024. Yay! So from what I'm seeing here, I got the Glossybox UK 2024 January variation 1, because I know that sometimes, I don't know if you could see it here, so I know that sometimes we could get different variations, like just a few, like 1 or 2 things might be different from what is in the other person's box, but overall the items are always good and I love it. Okay, so inside the main carton we have this, and we have some flyers. Not even going to lie, I love it when Glossybox do like the themed kind of boxes. Like I don't like when it's a plain pink. I like when they do the themed ones, but it's okay. So let's see what we have inside. For January 2024, the theme for Glossybox is called well-being. So this is it. So you have this, you should scan it and you get all the information about the products. This is how it looks for variation 1. So the first product I'm seeing here is Daily Concepts Individuals Who Think in the Shower Daily Round Silicone Scrubber. So this is what it looks like. We have like the silicone scrubbers. I have like 2, that's what I use during my shower time. So this is how it looks. It's for showering. You just put your hands inside this way and you use it for showering. Put your body washes, and I can't wait to try this because you know me, I love shower routines. So definitely, hopefully in my next shower routine or the next ones to come, because I think I've already filmed the shower routine that will be going up soon. So definitely my next shower routines to come, I'll be trying this out, and I already love it because I have something like this but not this exact one. So it's a really nice one. I love this one. So the next one is an eye patch. So this is Glow On Fifth Beauty eye patches. So this is what it looks like for like a self-care routine day. You know, so this kind of days when you want to relax. I recently got a face mask that looks like that. I think using the eye patch or the face mask is going to be like a very nice thing to do. So number 3, we have the Groom Pulse Point Roller Chill. So it's for deep relaxation. Find your peaceful place at night and even throughout the day. Rich woody aromas ground you, while lavender and chamomile soothe the nervous system. So the direction is roll on pulse points at the temples, neck and wrist, or apply behind the ears. So this is what it looks like. So let me try it out. It smells like lavender and chamomile, like they said. I think it's something that I would love for my night time. So I'm going to try it out this night. Yes, because sometimes I find it very difficult to sleep. I don't sleep early. I could sleep like 12, 1, and that's very late for me given the fact that I have to go to work. But I'm going to try this out this night to see like if it's going to work, and it's nice. It's just basically lavender smell. That's what I'm actually perceiving. I mean, if you know, lavender is very good to help you with sleeping. So I'll try this today. I can see why they say it's wellness. Next, we have this O2 Nourishing Hand Balm. So this is what it looks like. O2 Nourishing Hand Balm. Let me even try it because my hands are dry. You know, the winter. Nourish dry hands day after day, infused with pure O2 CBD. So I'd actually checked this brand on Google, and they make some CBD products. If you don't know what CBD is, it's called cannabis, like marijuana. That's what it is. So it's giving me this vibe of plants, like grasses. You know, like when you go to the fields that has lots of grasses, you know how the field smells, like that's how it smells. It has sunflower oil, sweet almond, evening prime rose. What of that oil does it have? It has rosemary, it has cedar wood, it has holy basil. It's not my go-to kind of smell, but on my palms it feels good. Actually feels good on my palm, and I can see some oils. It looks like there are oils on my palm, so something like this. I don't know if you could see it. Feels good on my skin. We have a bath and shower gel, which is one of my favorites. So I always love body care products, like they just do it for me. So this is a Molten Brown London Coastal Cypress and Sea Fennel bath and shower gel. This is a mini version because this is just 50 ml. So it's like, this is what it looks like. So I can't wait to try this. Okay, so I want to perceive the smell, because if you know me, smells are a big thing for me. Like, so it smells just the way I thought it would smell. When I see things like coastal, or you know how they want to have this like clean vibe, like clean smell, like it's smelly but it's not smelly. Like, I seriously don't know how to explain it, but it smells like water, the ocean. Yeah, something like that. That's how it smells, and I'm not surprised because you could see that the name is Coastal Sea Fennel and Cypress. Yeah, so yes, loves. These are the 5 items. Yeah, complete 5 items we got in our January subscription box. If you want to try it out, you could still get it. Yeah, so oh my god, these are all the products we got in our box. So you can check Glossybox out. You can subscribe to it and try the products, like try the beauty box. You might like it. I'm so happy about this box. I really like most of the things that are here, especially in fact I see myself using everything, like everything here, from the sponge, the shower gel, that's just one use, the eye patches, perfect for me this period. Like I said, they said it's wellness, and they actually came through with the wellness, which I love. So yeah, that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe because we have more videos coming your way. My last video was my Look Fantastic beauty box for January 2024. So I'm going to leave that video, check it out. Let's see, so you could see what Look Fantastic gave us for this January 2024. So when you watch the Look Fantastic, you can come back to this video and tell me which of the boxes you love, either the Look Fantastic for January 2024 or the Glossybox. So you tell me which of the boxes are your favorite. Okay, so yeah, thank you guys for watching this video and sticking around with me up to this time, and I love you for that.